Cafe's secret recipe is a pop-up cafe in Shibuya, Tokyo right now for the 25th anniversary of SpongeBob SquarePants. Man, do I feel old. I will never forget the first day that came on in 1999, watching the premiere episode, and the theme song comes on, and my mother just goes, "What the hell are you watching?" But she sat and watched it and laughed, which I think speaks for the quality and the longevity of SpongeBob SquarePants, which is why I don't watch anymore, but hearing that there was going to be a themed cafe in Tokyo, I was like, I have to see this. And here's what happened when we checked it out. And reminder, it's available. It started June 13th, and it's running through November 4th. Very limited time if you want to be a part of it. They have a standby line, but reservations highly recommended. This is what you want to see while you're eating, is this face looking back at you. You can sit here. You're not in it. It's just the table. Although I guess it's better than that one. I don't know. Here's the menu. It's in Japanese. Bear with me. There's a sandwich. There's... I forget what that is. What is this?
It's
taco salad?
Taco rice.
Rice? Oh, he's rice.
Tacos.
Rice here.
Yeah, taco
okay.
salad with rice.
Okay. This is chum bucket. I'm getting this because it comes in a bucket, not because I want it. The chum bucket. The gluttonous friend is the healthy burger. I do not know what is the pineapple thing?
This one is
Pasta?
Yeah.
Yes, because when I think of pasta, I think of pineapple.
But it comes with pineapple.
Look at this French fry thing is amazing. Look at the sauces. We have to get the French fries. And then there's dessert. Dessert comes with a plate. French, oh my god. Gary the Snail is happening. I need someone on the internet to find these napkin holders. They can't be made for this restaurant. I must buy one. Also, today's Japanese cultural lesson is this thing, which is what you put your bags in so they're not on the floor, because the floor is dirty. Or you can also put it on a chair. The chair is fine if it's empty. The drinks have arrived. I got a coffee because you get this souvenir cup. I needed to take something home. And they printed this on the top. If this will focus, I can show you. Why is it not? There we go. And then, what is in this?
It's a cream soda.
Cream soda? That is not what cream soda would look like in America. It's very cute. Kawaii.
Kawaii.
And then, so this is a ceramic mug of popcorn and French fries, but the real story with this is these 3 sauces that come with it, which, what does this say? Is that ketchup? Mild. A little spicy mustard. And very spicy. I think this is the episode where the drop of hot sauce comes out of the bottle and it will be really hot.
By the powers of naughtiness, I command this particular drop of hot sauce to be really hot.
Here is the gluttonous friend healthy burger. I don't know how it's healthy. I guess because there's fruit on it. I don't know. What is in the cup?
Which one?
With your burger, what's in the cup? Corn soup? Corn potage?
Yes.
Oh, so. And then you got the rice and taco meat. It's SpongeBob. He looks kind of sad. I don't know what's going on with that one. And then I have food in a bucket. She recommended I put the sauces in my pasta, which the spicy one probably will go well, I would bet. But I think this is supposed to be the Krabby Patty secret formula. Perhaps he's finally gotten it. What is this? What are you handing me? Oh no. Oh no.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna try my mug of French fries. I need a little of each sauce. I was waiting for the camera to it recognizes faces. I was waiting for it to recognize the face on the bottle.
What?
The camera recognizes where your face is. It follows. So I was waiting for it to think this was a face, and it was going to follow it. Oh, now I broke it. Oh yeah, it is a grain mustard, so maybe it'll be a little spicy. And I broke it again after that. That's my favorite. And then the spicy. I hereby command this particular drop of hot sauce to be really, really hot. Oh, let me use a fork to eat my French fries.
Yeah.
I'm in Japan.
見て。
What'd you do? Why'd you cut Patrick's face in half?
Because we're gonna share.
The gluttonous friend has been cut in half. These are the worst French fries I've ever eaten.
Yeah, kind of. I kind of felt that.
They're really bad.
The hot sauce is really hot. Spicy.
The grain mustard is like missing the mustard. It's only the grain. Maybe it needs to be shaken a little bit.
Maybe, or more. You should.
I think it's a mustard. Honey mustard.
Yeah, but see how it's not supposed to be clear like that.
But this is pickle, right?
Usually it's yellow and then you see that in it, but let me try a little bit more of that. This is bad.
クオリティは求めちゃダメだ。
そうだよ。
美味しくはない。
I'm gonna try the hot sauce. Huh?
Concept Cafe doesn't have a good food.
I thought Kirby was good, but I guess the temporary ones sometimes are not so good. Oh, my cafe was not so good. The Donald Cafe.
ルミネで。
I don't know if that's actually hot. I gotta try
今
more.
ルミネだらけだから。
Oh, it's pretty hot.
No.
Did you try it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty spicy.
It's spicy.
It's good.
No.
I'm definitely gonna put that on the pasta because I'm sure the pasta's gonna be
Yeah.
pasta's gonna be terrible. I just can feel it already. I'm gonna have my bad coffee now.
Is this spicy?
Am I supposed to stir this? It's still bad.
It's the what?
It's bad coffee. It's very bad. It's all very bad. Meet the popcorn. Even the popcorn's bad. Still. All right, I'm gonna dump over my chum bucket.
Yep.
Don't look that up on Urban Dictionary, kid. I'm gonna take Plankton out. I'll save him. Give me a Japanese-sized napkin. Oh, they're playing the Goofy Goober song. We're all Goofy Goobers. Pasta's fine. It could be much worse.
Pasta could be terrible.
Is this edible?
Should be. Yeah.
No, isn't this paper?
No, it's.
You think the paper thing?
Same.
Oh, so we think the Krabby Patty secret formula.
This white one? It's
supposed
potato.
That's potato salad?
Yeah.
That's the best thing I've had.
マジ?
Yikes.
Because I don't like that type of potato salad, so maybe that's why you.
It's American.
Like it.
It's very American.
Kind of, maybe. Yeah.
I'll say this as my friends who live here said, these pop-up cafes you usually come with the expectation the food is not going to be very good. The food will be pretty,
No.
but it will not be good. And
Just,
so
focusing on
And
how
more
they
of the
look.
same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's usually
How's
very expensive.
the burger? Is the burger bad? No.
No,
It's not bad. It's not good. It's not good. Okay. And yours is not good? I don't need to try it. I trust you if it's
okay.
good or it's okay. So the taco beef rice salad is okay.
It's okay.
I feel like you're being polite.
Thinking about being in Concept Cafe.
Yeah, compared to other, but in general, like
In general, it's.
you would not eat that again otherwise.
Oh.
So strong.
We don't have much options, so.
What do you mean you don't have much option? Oh, here?
Here, yeah.
That's a pretty big menu for one of these cafes. This is more than some places have. Oh, my cafe only had a few. Yeah?
This much better than this.
All right.
For
Let
sure.
me try it then.
Yeah.
Please.
Do you want to try the pasta? The pasta's okay. Oh, I broke his face.
The taste is curry, so you might like it.
Oh, I like curry.
Yeah. It's good. Maybe not for you.
It's perfectly fine. I like that it's a little spicy. You want to try the pasta? Yeah, go ahead. You like the pasta?
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm also Italian and from New York.
Yeah,
there was
yeah,
no
yeah.
way I was going to like. But I will say, for me to say okay, I think is a big endorsement.
Right.
So hopefully dessert is better. But
Yeah.
I'm just glad I'm eating out of a bucket. I wish I could take the bucket home.
Nah.
But I have a bucket.
No, but it's, it's...
They tried. They knew I like to take garbage home. So they tried to get the paper. They tried to get the paper off of the chum bucket, but it's already in the pasta sauce. So, but I'm eating out of a bucket. Dreams come true.
I mean, weird.
Oh my god.
This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. This makes up for the food being inedible. It's a Gary the Snail roll cake. Unbelievable. And then you have
Cheesecake.
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 Stop shaking him. Stop making him jiggle.
Jiggle.
They made him. That's why he's that color. They're making fun of the tourists like me. They're like the white tourist jiggle. You could also get this souvenir plate. I feel like he's just gonna fall over at some point. They told me that this cake will be better than any cake in America. I will not mince words. That's what was said. You start eating your cheesecake. I took the photos. People saw it. You don't even want to eat it. They just want to play with it. They're just going to make it jiggle back and forth. I don't know where to start with Gary the Snail. How am I going to murder him?
Yeah.
Do we know what's in this? It's like a mint cream. It's actually pretty good. His trail, his snail trail is like maybe melon.
What?
I think the snail trail is a melon. It's very good.
Oh, strawberry.
The cake is strawberry, but I think underneath him is melon cream.
I don't know that.
It doesn't say it. I find a lot of menus here are vague. Like they'll say the main ingredient, but there's definitely other stuff in it, and there's just no mention of it.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's fantastic. It's very good. Cake here is always good. No, I know that. I always say that.
No, that, your face tells
Any cake here is always very good. Anytime I have a pastry in Japan,
Yeah,
I know it's going to be good.
I told you.
What is this there's a little pie.
Tart.
But it's not really just cream and strawberry, I think.
Yeah.
I don't know what's in.
確かに。でもまだしましょう。はい。Murder.
Real nice with fresh strawberries. I assume the same with that. How is that?
It's okay.
It's okay. Oh, she just said it's okay.
It's okay.
You can try.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me
You
try.
should join the murder party.
Maybe put some toast.
Put something on it. The mango sauce is nice. Is it mango? Is it orange? I don't even know.
Chipping it.
It's a mango.
It's mango, right? Yeah, that's nice. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not as good as the cake. Do you want to try the cake? Also, there's ice cream. Go ahead. No, the cake is fantastic. So maybe if you come here and don't even get regular food, maybe just get dessert. Just dessert and drinks, right? I think that's the way to go. Although if you need to eat out of a chum bucket, I won't judge. I understand. This is open until November?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is operating through November. You can make reservations online.
You definitely should.
You definitely should. How did you get one today, though? Because we didn't have one.
I just asked them, and then there was only one slot left.
And they happened. We got lucky.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can show up, but I would tell you it's better to book a
I mean, they will
reservation in advance.
accept the show up, but if it's too late, they just,
Yeah.
not accepting. So.
Okay. Well, there you go. But you want to watch for there's certain dates in which they open more reservations. And I will tell you, just like any cafe in Japan, you'll want to book that as soon as it's available. What are we laughing about?
Bow.
Oh, he fell?
Yeah.
He fell over. Let me show people.
It's like just bowing.
He's bowing.
See?
He is bowing.
Japanese style.
He knows he's in Japan. I'm trying to get this to. Oh, I can't. Hold on. Let's do this. There we go. Oh, there we go. He's bowing.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Konbanwa, SpongeBob.
No, the Japanese.
No, but
Even-
they choose to use English
They
words.
did choose, and that's often a thing, yeah. They're laughing at the fact what this says: happy, smile, friends, positive, yummy. Positive, yummy. You know, you guys can stop anytime. You could just write it in the language of this country at any time. They also have to-go food, so you could just come up to this counter for sandwiches and bread, and they come in this cute little box. There is a go. Man, this is just like the Krusty Krab. Free drink with purchase. Only water, no refills. Oh, Mr. Krab. There does appear to be some merchandise that is only for the cafe secret recipe. SpongeBob has a outfit that is not his Krusty Krab uniform. There's stickers. All sorts of stuff. Pez, oh my god, I might have to get my father the Pez. Although I don't think that's not related to the restaurant, actually. This is. I think there was a tiny SpongeBob and he's gone now. But you can get tiny Patrick in his orange Home Depot schmuck. But you can get the big SpongeBob in his cafe outfit. Or if you really need giant SpongeBob, not the cafe outfit though. Some more generic stuff. There's a cafe item. Cookies. Miyagi. I might need the plate and the cup. I like the plate. The plate is cool. My favorite thing though are these mystery. There's mystery magnet candy food. There we go. And this is what they look like. Well, thank you for watching our adventure at the SpongeBob Cafe. If you like this, please hit the like button and subscribe for more great content. If you want to see more of my travels through Japan, whether it's at Tokyo Disneyland or Disney Sea, or like this weird cafe beyond, you could check out the playlist for Tom's Tokyo vlogs here on the channel. As well, if you want to support what we're doing, you could join the WDWNT Inner Globe Society at patreon.com/WDWNT. And as well, you could shop at Carousel Products by going to shop.WDWNT.com. We also have a new subscription service on Instagram where you get exclusive stories and more. So check that out. We're at WDWNT on Instagram. We'll see you real soon.